issued a flash flood warning for Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Emergency Management is reporting flooded roadways near the Cabarrus County line in Annapolis. 1 to 2 inches of rain quickly fell over the past 1 to 2 hours on top of 2 to 4 inches of rainfall which occurred last night. Saturated soils and high stream flows are responding quickly to this additional excessive runoff. Lake Annapolis Dam is spilling significant flows into Irish Buffalo Creek, and these flows are likely to cause or are already causing flooding at points downstream, including C Street, Pump Station Road, Tiffany Drive, Pine Street, and Rainbow Drive. Exercise extreme caution when traveling in the Annapolis area. Avoid all flooded roadways and obey all barricades. Stay away from all streams, but especially Irish Buffalo Creek. Significant flows will sweep away cars and persons caught in the flood waters. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Emergency Management reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. High flow going over Annapolis Dam will cause downstream flooding along Irish Buffalo Creek, impacting roads, low-lying areas, and possibly several low-lying structures. Some locations that are experiencing flash flooding include Annapolis, downtown Concord,